how to redeem vouchers in Uber Eats. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel How to Apps. This is me Pipan Basnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can easily redeem your vouchers in Uber Eats. Now, while you may feel that it's quite complicated, actually the process is simple and easy, so let me guide you through quick and easy with this video. You want to simply open up your Uber Eats application. Unfortunately, in my region it's currently unavailable, so I'll just be showing you through the browser, but the process is similar on the app itself as well. You can head into your browser and you can search in for ubereats.com if you want to do it on browser, on your PC or your phone. Now once you do so, here you can see you want to make sure you're logged into your account. Now on the app as well, you'll get the similar interface. You want to simply tap on the three horizontal line icon or the hamburger icon at the top left corner of your screen. Once you do so, you'll get this list of options popping up from your left hand side of your screen. You want to simply select the wallet option. Once you tap on wallet option here, you'll get two different options, and then you'll be able to see add vouchers option. Simply tap on add vouchers. You want to enter in your voucher code at the enter option, and then you want to simply tap on add option at the bottom of your screen, and you'll be able to redeem it. So this way you can easily redeem and use vouchers in Uber Eats. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.